Hello everyone, Namaste, Suswagatam. I welcome you all to my channel Samskritalayam. In this video, we are going to see Standard 7, Lesson 5. The name of the lesson is Pandita Ramabai. So before going to this lesson, I will just tell some information on this great lady, Pandita Ramabai. She is a social reformer and also she is a women's right and educator. She is a great Sanskrit Pandit and also she is a pioneer in the education and a feminist. Now let us see the first paragraph. Stri Siksha Kshetre Agraganya Pandita Ramabai 1858 Tame Krishtabde Janma Alabhatha. Stri Siksha Kshetre, in the field of women education. Agraganya, pioneer. Krishtabde means in the Christian year. Janma, birth. Alabhata means got. So, in the year 1858, a pioneer in the field of women education by name Pandita Ramabai, she was born. Tasyaha pita Ananta Shastri Dongre Mata cha Lakshmibai Astam. Tasyaha pita, her father Ananta Shastri Dongre. So her father's name is Ananta Shastri Dongre. Mata cha, and mother name is Lakshmibai Astam. Astam means where, past tense. Okay, so asdatu past tense. So her father name is Ananta Shastri Dongre and her mother name is Lakshmibai. Tasmin kale stri shikshayaha sthitihi chintaniya asit. Tasmin kale, in those days, stri shikshayaha sthitihi, the situation of the women's education. Chintaniya asit, it was in orisam manner. So in those days, the situation of the women's education, it was in orisam manner. Strinam krite Samskrita Sikshanam Prayaha Prachalitam Nasit. Strinam krite, for ladies, Samskrita Sikshanam, the Sanskrit education. Prayaha means mostly. Prachalitam Nasit, it is not in practice. So, in those days, for ladies, the Sanskrit education, it was not at all in practice. Kintu Dongre Rudibaddham Dharanam Parityajya Swapatnim Sanskritam Adhyapayat. Kintu, but Dongre, her father Dongre, Rudibaddham Dharana means traditionally prejudice or old traditions. Okay, Parityajya means given up. Swapatnim, his own wife. Sanskritam Adhyapayat. Adhyapayat means taught. So, what it is said is, but Dongre, he broke out all the old traditions and taught his wife Sanskrit. Etadattam saha samajasya prataranamapi asahata. Etadattam, for that reason, saha, he, samajasya prataranam, so the tortures of the society, api, also, asahata, he tolerated. So for that reason, actually he tolerated all the tortures of the society. Anantaram Rama api swamatuhu Samskrita Siksham Praptavati. So Anantaram, later words, Rama api, Rama also, swamatuhu, from her mother. So it's in Panchami Vibhakti. Samskrita Siksham Praptavati, she got Sanskrit education. So afterwards, Rama also, from her mother, she got her Sanskrit education. Kalakramena Ramayaha Pita Vipannaha Sanjataha. Kalakramena, as time passes or after some time as time passes, Ramayaha Pita, Rama's father, Vipannaha, poor, Sanjataha, became. So, as time passes, her father, he became poor. Tasyaha Pitarau Jeshta Bhagini cha Durbiksha Piditaha Divangataha. Tasyaha Pitarau. Here Pitarau means both mother and father. So tasyaha, her parents, Jeshta Bhagini, the elder sister, and Durbiksha Piditaha, victims of famine. Divangataha means died. So her parents and the elder sister, they died because of the famine. Tadanantaram Rama Swajeshtabhratra Saha Padabhyam Samagram Bharatam Abhramat. Tadanantaram, afterwards, with her elder brother. Bhratra here Tritiya Vibhakti, okay? Padabhyam, with legs. Samagram Bharatam Abhramat. Samagra means entire, okay? And Bharatam means India. So entire India, Abhramat, she roamed. With her brother, elder brother, she roamed all over the India. Brahmanakrame sa Kolakatam prapta. Brahmanakrame. In her course of walking, sa Kolakatam prapta. She reached Calcutta. Samskrita Vaidushyena sa tatra Pandita Saraswati cheti Upadibhyam Vibhushita. Samskrita Vaidushyena means she, because of that expertise knowledge in Sanskrit, sa, she, tatra, there, Pandita Saraswati, cheti is cha plus iti, okay, sandhi is there. So Upadibhya means honorary titles. Vibhushita, conferred. So in Calcutta, she was conferred great honorary titles, Pandita and Saraswati, because of her expertise knowledge in Sanskrit. Tatraiva sa Brahma Samajena Prabhavita Vedadhyayanam Akarot. Tatraiva is tatra plus eva, in there itself. Sa Brahma Samajena Prabhavita. Prabhavita means she was influenced. Brahma Samajena, by the Brahma Samaj movement. Vedadhyayana means learning Vedas. Akarot, did. So there itself, being influenced by the Brahma Samaj movement, she started to learn Vedas. Akarot means here also past tense. Paschat sa Strinam Krite Vedadinam Shastranam Viksikshayai Andolanam Prarabdhavati. Paschat, after that, sa Strinam Krite, for ladies, Vedadinam Shastranam Sikshayai. Vedadinam Shastranam Sikshayai means for learning Shastras of Vedas. Andolanam means movement. Prarabdhavati, started. So afterwards she started movement for learning Shastras of Vedas to ladies. 1880 Tame Krishtabde sa Vipina Bihari Dasena Saha Bakipura Nyayalaye Vivaham Akarot. In the year 1880, Krishtabde means Christ, in Christ year, sa, she, Vipina Bihari Dasena Saha. Vipina Bihari Dasena means it's a name of a person. With Vipina Bihari Das, Bakipura Nyayalaye. Nyayalaye means in the court, where the court is Bakipur. In Bakipur court, Vivaham, marriage, Akarot, did. So in the year 1880, with Vipina Bihari Das, in the court, Bakipur court, she did her marriage. Sardhaika Varsha Tanantaram Tasyaha Patihi Divangataha. Sardhaika Varshat is Sardha plus Eka Varshat. So that means after 1.5 years, Anantara means after. So after 1.5 years, Tasyaha Patihi, her husband, Divangataha, died. So after 1.5 years, her husband, he died. Tadanantaram sa putriya manoramaya saha janmabhumim Maharashtram pratyagaccha. Tadanantaram, afterwards, sa putriya manoramaya saha means with her daughter Manorama, janmabhumim Maharashtram, own birthplace Maharashtra, pratyagaccha, she returned. So Afterwards, she returned to her own place, birthplace, Maharashtra, with her daughter Manorama. Narinam Sammanaya Sikshayai Cha Sa Swakiyam Jivanam Arpitavati. Narinam Sammanaya Sikshayai. So, Narina means of women, Sammanaya means for honoring. Sikshayai, education. Sa, she, Swakiyam Jivanam means own life. Arpitavati, dedicated. So, she dedicated her own life for the honoring or for the welfare of the women's education. Hantara Siksha Ayogasya Samaksham. Nari Siksha Vishaye Sa Swamatam Prastutavati. So, Hantara Siksha Ayogasya means Hunter Commission for Education. Samaksham means in front of. Nari Siksha Vishaye, about this women's education. Sa, she, Swamatam, her own ideas. Prastutavati means presented. So, before or in front of this Hunter Commission for Education, she presented her own views about the women's education. Or she put forth her views. Sa, Ucha Sikshartam, England Desham Gatavati. Sa, she, Ucha Sikshartam means for higher education. England Desham Gatavati. She went to England. For higher education, she went to England. Tatra, Isai Dharmasya, Sri Vishayakaihi, Uttama Vicharehi, Prabhavita Jata. Sa, Tatra, there, Isai Dharmasya means of Christian religion. Sri Vishayakaihi, Uttama Vicharehi means with good views for women. Prabhavita means attracted. Jata means she became. So, Tatra means there. She, there in England, she was influenced by this Christian religions, which told much about the women's in a good way. England Deshat Ramabai America Desham Agachat. England Deshat, from England, Ramabai America Desham Agachat. Agachat means past tense, went. So, from England, Ramabai, she went to America. Tatra sa Bharatasya Vidhava Strinam Sahayatartham Artha Sanchayam Akarot. Tatra, there, sa, she, Bharatasya Vidhava Strinam, of Indian widows, Sahayatartham, for helping. Artha Sanchayam means money collection. Akarot, did. So, there in America, she started to do collecting money for helping the Indian widows. Bharatam Pratyagatya Mumbai Nagare Sa Sharada Sadanam Asthapayat. Pratyagatya, Bharatam Pratyagatya. So, after returning to India, Mumbai Nagare, in Mumbai, Sa, she, Sharada Sadanam Asthapayat. Asthapayat means she founded Sharada Sadanam in Mumbai after returning to India. Asmin Ashrame Nisahayaha Striyaha Nivasanti Sma. So, Asmin Ashrame means in this ashram. Nisahayaha, helpless. Striyaha, women's. Nivasanti Sma means lived. See, Nivasanti is a present tense, but if Sma is there with Nivasanti, it will take past tense. Okay, so it should be considered as a past tense verb, no more a present tense verb. So, in this ashrama, many helpless women lived. Tatra striyaha mudrana tankana kashta kaladinam cha prasikshanamapi labhante sma. Tatra, there, striyaha, women's. Mudrana means printing. Tankana means typing. Actually, Kashta Kaladinam plus cha, it is written as Kashta Kaladinam cha. So, it means wooden artworks. Prasikshanam. Prasikshanam means training. Api also. Labhante sma. Labhante sma means, see, once again, labhante is a present tense rupam. Sma is there, so it will take past tense rupam. That means got. So, tatra, there, the women were given training in printing, typing and wooden artworks. Param idam sadanam Pune nagare snananantaritam jatam. Param, afterwards, idam sadanam, this organization, Pune nagare, in Pune, Thananantaritam means change of place. Jatam, it became. So, after that, this organization, it changed its place and it was moved to Pune. Tataha Pune nagarasya samipe Kedgaon sthane Mukti Mission nama samsthanam taya stapitam. Tataha, afterwards, Pune nagarasya samipe, close to Pune nagar, Kedgaon sthane, in the place Kedgaon, Mukti Mission nama, and samsthana means institution. Taya, by her, Sthapitam means was founded. So, afterwards, in the place Kedgaon, which is close to Pune, an institution by name Mukti Mission was founded by her. Atra adhuna api nirashritaha striyah sasammanam jeevanam yapayanti. Atra, here, adhuna api, now also, nirashritaha striyah, helpless women, sasammanam jeevanam yapayanti. Yapayanti means spending time or live. Okay. So sasammanam jeevanam means with pride or with respect. So here now also the helpless women, they live or they spend their time with pride or with respect. 1922 तमे ख्रीष्टाब्दे रमाबाई महोदयायाः निधनम् अभवत्. So in the year 1922, Ramabai Mahodayayaha means of Ramabai, Nidhanam, death, happened. Abhavat means happened. So in the year 1922, she died. Sa Desha Videshanam Anekasu Bhashasu Nipuna Asit. Sa, she Desha Videshanam, of national and international, Anekasu Bhashasu, in various languages, Nipuna, skilled, Asit means she was. So she was a expert or a skilled in various national and international languages. समाजसेवायाः अतिरिक्तं लेखनक्षेत्रे अपि तस्याः महत्त्वपूर्णम् अवदानम् अस्ति. समाजसेवायाः अतिरिक्तं means apart from social work. लेखनक्षेत्रे अपि, in writing field also, तस्याः, of her, महत्त्वपूर्णं, great, अवदानं, contribution अस्ति, is there. So apart from social work, she did her contribution in writing field also. Three Dharma Niti, high caste Hindu women iti tasyaha prasiddham rachanadvayam vartate. Three Dharma Niti, it's a name of a writing works, and also high caste Hindu women, it's also a name of her work. Iti tasyaha, her, Prasiddham Rachanadvayam. Dvayam means two. Rachanadvayam means two famous writing works. Vartate means they are. Okay. So, her famous two writing works are Stri Dharmaniti and High Caste Hindu Women. So, with this lesson 5 Pandita Ramabai video is coming to an end. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please share it across with those whom you think might benefit from this. See you in next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.